welcome back to my channel. I am Ishita. तो कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? I hope you all are doing very great. So today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY phases of moon wall hanging. And trust me friends, it's going to be super easy. So watch this video till the end to know how to make this. उससे पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ कर दीजिए एंड उसके पास में जो बेल आइकन है उसे भी प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि जब भी मेरी न्यू वीडियो आएगी तो सबसे पहले आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा. Firstly, let's have a look on the materials we will need for this DIY.
So for this DIY, you'll only need this golden metallic sheet and any old chain you have. Or instead of chain, you can use any woolen thread. Also, it's all up to you. So now, as I've cutted all the shapes and phases of the moon, I will paste it on the chain I had.